Here we go. This is a Webb WEPWT, as you can see from the instructions. Proud owner of that, just got it today. With it you get a spark pluggy thing, toolkit, and here it is. Okay, so the first thing we had to do was obviously follow the instructions in the manual. You've got, you put on the lovely like a inset there where the actual bolt goes, and then I'll put the washer there and the tightener there, and the same for the other side. So that's the lower part of the handle. The next part was the larger one. So there you go. So put that on, lovely. And anyway, they then sort of said, you need to pull the pull start and put to that point there. So which I've done. But before you can do that, you've got to take the spark plug out, and which is that bit there. And you try and pull that out, which apparently, talking to Webb, they said pull it straight out, but I couldn't do that for the moment. But they sort of said it wasn't necessary for the first time use, as you put it together. So there you go. And the other thing that I had to do was the guard. You literally pull it out, and then you actually put one screw there and one screw there, and that's it. It's fully assembled.